Hey guys, hello and happy Friday to all my people that have the weekend off. I hope you guys are all having a lovely day. I'm so excited because I just got this package of coffee in the mail that I ordered. I'm really excited about it because it is super tasty. Just want to show you the box that it came in. It's Black Rifle coffee, by the way. Just showing you the outer box. It's coffee or die. So it's like a little bit intense. However, I like the packaging and stuff, but I think it's really cool. A little bit of a background about just black coffee or about Black Rifle coffee in general is a portion of their profits go to veteran law enforcement officer and gun rights organizations, which I think is really nice on top of being a really delicious coffee. And it's the official conservative coffee in the world. So that's kind of cool, a little background about the company. Recently I tried the Black Rifle Coffee Company light roast in the ground up coffee. I do have a Keurig. I don't have a regular coffee machine right now, so I was using this little, like your own pod that you could put some ground coffee in and then use it in the Keurig. But when I saw that that they had Just Black in the K-Cups, I was like, oh, well, let me try the K-Cups out since it makes sense. This is what the K-Cups look like. So it says Black Rifle Coffee Company, 1 round of single-serve coffee. So it's kind of cool. I guess it's supposed to be like a round, like to shoot at on the pods. Makes sense because they are kind of all about gun rights and stuff like that, the company. And I think it's really great that they support law enforcement officers and our veterans. So a box comes with 32 rounds of single-serve coffee, or 32.39 ounces, 116 cups. Net weight is 12.42 or 352 grams. Turn to the side. The ingredients are 100% Arabica coffee, Black Rifle Coffee Company, P.O. Box 521685 in Salt Lake City, Utah. Any questions or concerns, you can email customers at blackriflecoffee.com, and it's compatible with most Keurig K-Cup brewing systems, including 2.0. Works in brewers that accept single cup portion packs. So I have the Keurig 2.0, so it's been working perfectly in that. I just had a cup today. This is Keurig and K-Cup are registered trademarks of Keurig Green Mountain Incorporated. Black Rifle Coffee Company is not affiliated with Keurig Green Mountain Incorporated. Product of the United States, supporting, products made in your country when you buy it. That's assuming if you're from the United States, of course. Best by April 22nd, 2020, so plenty of time to enjoy it. I just got this in the mail, and it's only November 2018, and I'm sure I will be going through this pack pretty quickly. In my house, we have a cup or two a day, me and my husband, so we go through at least 2 to 4 packs a day. So I was really excited to get this and try it because like I said, I had tried the light roast, but I'm more of a dark roast person. So the dark roast, I think, well, Just Black, I don't know if I'd say it's a dark roast. It's kind of like, it's a more than medium roast, but not like super dark, because they do have an extra dark coffee, which I want to try. If you guys like Death Wish coffee, by the way, I think you'll like this because it's very similar taste-wise, and you'll see too, if you look it up, both Black Rifle coffee and Death Wish coffee will come up in the search engine. So just throwing it out there. If you guys like Death Wish, you'll probably like Black Rifle coffee if you want to try it. And they have a whole bunch of different coffees as well. We've also purchased the hazelnuts and the medium roast, which I'm sure are delicious. I could tell even from trying the light roast, I'm like, I know I'm gonna like this because it tastes so good. So I know, I'm just gonna like this coffee in general. I don't do a lot to my coffee. I just add a little almond milk, but if you guys add milk, sugar, whatever you think, you guys will really enjoy it. And it's just really great in general. Like the taste, it's very smooth. It has great flavor. I almost taste some cocoa nuts in it. I don't know if that's just me because my husband said he doesn't taste that, but I do. Very smooth flavor, easy drinking, and delicious in the morning with whatever you choose to have for breakfast. So I'm overall in general just very happy with it, as you could see, or else I wouldn't have gone ahead and ordered these other flavors to try them all. So if you guys are looking for a really great coffee, Just Black, just like very smooth and just something easy to drink with a lot of flavor, but not overboard. Like, it's not like it's flavored with anything. It's just the coffee. If you guys like the flavor of coffee, you'll really, really like this. And I definitely recommend it. And if you guys are coffee drinkers, I really hope that you will give Black Rifle coffee a try, and I hope you love it. And like I said, you know, you don't have to get if you don't have a Keurig machine, it's fine. You can get the ground coffee as well. But if you do have a Keurig machine, it's nice to get the pods because they're nice and easy, you know, 1, 2, 3. So I hope you guys will try out Black Rifle Coffee Company in Just Black. I know you guys will love it, and I thank you so much for watching the video. I hope you guys found it useful. Thanks, everyone.